ka pa. Hi, Sir Donnie. Thank you for the likes po. Panis ka po eh. Panis ka po eh. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Hey, Sir Donnie. Hi, thank you so much. 6 people. Panis ka pa eh. Panis ka pa eh. Thank you, 22 people. Hi. Hello. Hi. Thank you sa likes. Panis ka pa eh. Panis ka pa eh. Panis ka pa eh. Oh my God, thank you for the million in the house. Panis ka pa. Hi from Slovakia, Europe. Oh my God, from Europe. Good afternoon, sis. Good afternoon, Ponsel Barrow. Hi po, Ponsel. I show everything. God, demanding yarn. Demanding yarn. Huzzah. Yeah. Yeah. And it's goodbye. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. You're so cute. Thank you. Really? I'm cute? I'm cute. Thank you, 10 likes. Sana likes. Panis ka boy. Panis ka boy. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Oh no, Zabon. Oh no, Zabon. Oh no, Zabon. Kuya Dre, hi Jollibee. Kuya. Kuya Dre. How's your jowa? How's your jowa, kuya? Hello from the Netherlands. Hi from Netherlands. Wow, beautiful country. You know what, Unal Sudan? No crazy here. Unal Zabon. No crazy. You're lack of lack of good manners and right conduct. Alex Helgersson from Netherlands. Hi, Sir Alex. Thank you for joining. So fine. America Alvis. Hi, America. America. Where's America? America. Where's America? Where's the ano? Where's the pencil? Panis ka pa eh. Portugal. Oh, from Portugal. America Alvis from Portugal. Hi, Win. Beautiful. Thank you, Win. I have a good day. Hope you too. How old are you? New here? Hi, I'm 41 years old. Not new there. I'm old here. Love you more. America. John Servando. Hi, Sir John Servando. Where's the fun? No, Nori Ahmed. Hi, Nori Ahmed. Sir John! Hello po. Hi, Sir John. Good evening. Good evening, Sir John. Noria Mendes. Hi po. Movicel. Max Simonex. Hi, Movicel. Prakash. Hi, pretty friend. Hi, Prakash. I'm fine. Good morning, Leandro Top Vlog. Good morning to you. Good evening here. Noria Mendes. Hi. Prakash, thank you. I'm 58, so also old. Not so old. No worries about the age. Still young. You look very nice. Thank you, Sir Prakash. Then. Mobisili Maxima next. 51 people in the house. Hi po. 17 likes. Thank you sa nagla-likes. My God. Where are you guys? Where are you from, guys? Thank you for the likes po. Please goodbye. I am watching from Saudi. Okay. Hi, Prakash from Saudi. Thank you for watching po. That's great. Mobisili. Where are you from, Mobisili? Hero. Why should I give you that? Hi, Jamie Person. Hi. Thank you. I'm fine. Santo Chrysostom, I'm fine. Come to Colombia. Thank you for inviting me, but I'm happy here. I'm fine here. Hi, Frank. Hello. Kaisan Sanoden. Thank you so heart. What are you doing? I'm doing live. I'm talking to you guys. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, Pedro Paulo Lima. From Brazil. Mobiceli Maxima. Where are you from? Mobiceli. Mobicel. Maxima. Maximum Max. Do you speak Spanish? No, I speak Spanish. But some language here, Spanish here in the Philippines, like La Mesa, something like that. Mesa, Charam, Kumusta, something like that. Nice voice and body shape. Thank you, Zamjay. Artur Pena. Hi, Artur Pena. You're very beautiful. Thank you. Really, I'm beautiful? My God, I feel beautiful now. Who's the boy? Don't wanna let evening from Boston. Hi, James from Boston. Thank you for joining. Hi, Victor Alves. Hello. Hi, friend. How are you? Greetings. Greetings. I'm glad to see you. Thank you. Simon Martinez. Thank you po. Jimmy Person. I want to get to know you better, but we speak different languages. So I don't understand what you're saying. Oh my God, really? Really, you don't understand what I'm saying? Oh my God. But thank you. But I understand what you're saying here. Maybe you translate it before you comment here. I really appreciate your effort. Jamie Person. Thank you pa. At least you try. Hans Paul. Hans Paul. Hans Paul. Hans Paul. I don't understand anything really. I speak English, boy. Jimmy Person. Oh my God. Where do you live? I'm living here in the Philippines. Are you from the Philippines? Yes, I'm here in the Philippines. Good morning, Quizlet. Good morning to you. Good evening here. Morning to you, evening here, night here in the Philippines. much. The 46 people in the house. Cebu, Bicol Province, Philippines. Will study your language. Okay. Thank you, Jamie Person, for the effort. Do you live? Do you like? Yeah, I love dance. I love dance. Dancing. I love dancing for Jamie Person. Salamat sa nagla-likes. Thank you so much, Mike. Don't wanna let her go. Thank you pa. Nicely art. Really? Thanks. You are beautiful girl. Thank you naman, Brian. Wayne, do you like Jamie Chochoy? I don't know. I don't know them. I don't know Jamie Chochoy's. Chochoy's. Jamie Chochoy's. Shows. May gulay. Raul Paris, as always, beautiful. Thank you, Sir Raul. Wahab Nasution. Mal sinadya. No. Hello po, how are you doing? Hi, Sir Don. Good morning to you, Sir Don. Evening here, night here. Thank you, Sir Don. I'm doing live. Harap ako. Dali na, agad na. Biden. Nagkakaon ka na? I'm not single. I'm not available. Italy dishes are really wow. Sleeper. I don't know that that the brand, but I think it's beautiful. You're fine. You have good energy. Thank you, Sir Jamie Person. Thank you po. Yes, good morning here. How is your day going? My day going is good. Smooth. Oh my God. This going's fine. For Sir Don. That's your thread. Thread? Hi, Chifa Cholo. Hi, Chifa Cholo. Leo. Hi, two. Give me why. Chocono Joe. Hi, Ibrahim. Okay, that's good to hear. Hi, Sir Don. What are you doing po? Are you working now? Or at home? I think you are at home now. Maybe. Is your son? Yes. He's my son. Hi, Nino. Muhammad Rafga. Hey, girl. Hi. It's a shame don't understand anything, but I want to be your friend. Yes, Pastor Jamie Person. Friends, we're friends here, but hope you understand what I'm saying here. Thank you, Sir Jamie Person. I'm getting ready to go to bed soon. Okay po. Good night, Sir Don. You're too beautiful to be single. Really? My God. I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Do you know Brazil? Yeah, I know Brazil. American living in Angeles City, Pampanga says, hello, beautiful. Ang kulit. Salamat. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Patrick Dyson. Thank you so much, Sir Patrick. Hi, DC2. Hi, DC2. James Hagan Cebu? No, not Cebu. Bicol province. How is sure they going? Going fine po. Thank you, Sir Patrick Dyson. You are good to have you. Not yet. Not yet, dinner. Do you have a blessed my friend? Thank you, Sir Don. Thank you. Same to you. Blessed day po. Nice to meet you from Indonesia, Mohammed. Gary Burboy. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you, Gary. Hi, Sifumer. I will see you later po. Thank you, Sir Don. See you later. We'll talk later. I'm going to rest now. I'm getting off work. I'm a personal security escort. Okay po. Thank you, Sir Jamie Person, for joining here my live stream on YouTube. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. God bless po. You have so many notebooks. Yes. So many notebooks. Yes po. Shoot me channel. Hi, Sir Thomas from Denmark. Thank you po. From Denmark, Sir Thomas. I'm fine, Sir Thomas. I'm okay po. Aray. I know. Aray. Mobicel. Thank you, Mobicel Maximus. Maximo Max. Fernando. Hello. Hi, Fernando. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love can be sometime. Naturo ka na, Gab. Sorry pa. Malamig. Cold. Cold na. Hello, Mobicel. Mobicel. Maximo Max. Ay, hindi ka ba na no? Ang panlak na lapis. Ha? Ang panlak o ganti gihaw. Kaya na. How many children do you? One children. I have one kid. Which one is your what's up? I think. Ay, sa daan pang ano, pang Umalik ka na doon. Kahit ko, sus, bukas palad ka. Dili ka pwede magparaan sa nang bubukas palad ka sa ako. Pero sanay ka pa nang nagbubukas. Hindi ka nagbabati sa instruction. Patala mo pa yun, ano ha. Patala mo pa. Dali pag-agi mo nga patala ka pa. Good night. Philippines and Mexico. Good night po. 6:30 p.m. greetings. Good morning there. Mexico. Uncle. Alright. Kapag sa chat. Brazil, Carriag, Sika, Espiritu Santo. Patawa. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you. Don't wanna let her go. or brown? Pink. Pink or brown? Pink. Hi, John Brown, the vocal. Hi po. Hi, Rory Cannon. Hello. Rory Cannon. I like pink, yeah. I like pink. It depends, but not too much pink. Just like this. The color of this, not like this. And then this. I don't like too much pink. I like the pink like this. Mm. Hi, Carnival 19. Oh, okay. It's different time. You look tired, yes po. Tired. What's all the noise? The noise is from the other room, my parents' room. They are watching TV. And then the other side is basketball courts. Hello, XX. Huh? Hi, Sir James Brown. Ano bakal mo? Sometimes I like brown. Me too. I like brown sometimes, but it depends. It depends. It depends po. Did you Ricky? Hi, did you Ricky? Thank you. You okay too? Yes. Thank you, James. Sir James Brown. John B. Hi, Sir John B. Daddy Party Doll. Hi, Sir John B. Thank you for joining po. Walker, are you married? Not yet married. But I'm hoping I'm getting married soon. I'm not, I'm hoping. Yeah. Thank you. Hi, Sergio. Sergio. Abadran. Thank you po, Sir Jumpy. DCD does Maggie. Don't start a habit. Huh? A habit? What habit? Stand up and give us a twirl, please. Who are you to say that? Thank you, Sir John B. Not yet married, yes. Hi, Jerome Alberturias. Hi, Jerome Alberturias. Hi. How are you feeling now? I'm feeling good. Mobile cell. Thank you, Sergio. You have a boyfriend, yeah? It's now 7:14 in the morning. Can you please make me some coffee? I have no coffee now. This coffee is for me now. Sorry. Sorry naman. May gulay. Sorry po. May pag-ibig na tutunwari. I know you're happy now. That's Ateneo got me before. Zumba tomorrow? No. Zumba is every Sunday in the morning. No Zumba tomorrow. Victor Barreto, Sir John B. The Zumba here is every Sunday morning. Hey, can I have your... Why? Where are you from, Mobicel? Yes, those are some... One day I will come and visit you and you can make me coffee. If we have a coffee, why? Why not? Thank you, 10 people in the house. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Thank you so much, Anag. Oh. Ano ba yan? Simula na naman. May gulay-gulay. I love it when you really... Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John Beam. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Sir John B, thank you po. I subscribe and like. Greetings from Minnesota and the USA. Thank you, Piping Davy. Thank you po. Ruti Chan. Hi. Thank you sa nag-likes. Makulit. What's yung makulit? O plantok hangyu. O plantok hangyu. Are you going to be... No? No. Gary Burboy. No. Movie cell. So many quizy guys here today. Yes po, Sir John B. My God. So many. So a lot. Thank you, Sir John B. What time is it in your country? Time here? Oh, I didn't. 8:20 in the evening. Hi, Mondial. Respect the host, guys. Thank you po, Sir John B. Sending you sorry. Alexander Picado, hi. Time to eat, yeah. Thank you, Sir John B. Alexander, hi, hello. Thank you so much, Sir John B. Oh my God. Hi, Adriana Mara. Is wagad ha. Hi. Thank you po sa nagla-likes. Na-edlip lang tayo. Need to take a nap for in a few minutes. I'm so tired. Just take a nap. Hey, Rush. I'm just take a nap for a while po. Hey, Sir Damian. Hi, Sir Damian. Thank you po. Wait lang. My eyes can't You said nap time. Yeah. Ano nap time because tiring all day. Thank you, Sir Jambi. Umar said. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you so much for protecting my channel. Oh my God. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir John B. Wait lang. I need to take a nap maybe in just 10 minutes. I will wake up. I will wake up. I don't mind the area. I like fishing the night. Thank you po Sir John B. and Sir. Thank you Sir John B. and Sir Dwayne. Thank you. Late Hosting, I got Sister that and John Barrow. John Barrow. I live in Tyler for coffee. My grandma lives in Bicol, right? My place is here. I'm currently in here, very handsome, but I actually grew up in Tyler and Houston, Texas. Gab! Gabriel! Sheryl talking to Johnson, she was asleep. Ah, okay, sorry. Thank you pa. Thank you, Sir Damien, Sir Johns. I don't know how she can sleep too much light, too much noise. Sure. Sorry. Too much light, too much noise. Lights on. Thank you so much. It must be raining there. I get really loud. Yes po, raining here. Hi, Nose. Robert tomorrow. Hi po, Sir Robert. So fine. What's up? Hello. Hi, James. Hello. Hello, you're beautiful. I like you. Rosario. Hello, Rosario. Oh my God. Oh my God. Maria. Oh my God. Thank you po, Sir John B. Thank you, Sir John B. My goodness. Oh my goodness. A lot of here now. Very respectful to the host. Thank you po. Oh my God. Guys, please. Let's. Thank you po, Sir John B. Maybe they don't upload because my moderator is the blue the blue team is only two, John B and Sir Damien. Sir John B. Thank you, Sir John B. Where the t-shirt is made. Oh my God. Isa pa to eh. Are you tired? It's fine. I'm fine. Thank you, Sir John B. My God. Hey, madam. My gulay. Thank you, Sir John B. Promise ka, bye. Don't wanna let her go. Hey, Lexi. Lexi. Hi. CD Mob. Hi, CD Mob. CD Mob. Thank you po, Sir John B. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Hi, it's Andy from Tennessee. Hi, Andy from Tennessee. From Tennessee. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John B. My God. Hi to Mezzo. To Sir to Mezuka. Hi po. Thank you, Sir John B. Oh, why should I dance? You're very cute, thank you. Hi, what? Period. Mustafa. Hello. Hello, darling. German. Oh my God. Ang hirap naman. I'm from Philippines, Asia. Asia. Thank you, Sir John. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm a man too. It's not impossible to not be a creep. Huh? To not be a creep. I want to... Oh my God. May gulay. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay. Oh my God. Hi, Michael and Zambian. Hi. Agent from Injet Tumazuka. Oh. Thank you, Sir John. Thank God. Lots of ano now. Hello, good evening. Good morning. Good evening here. Maybe morning to you. Oh, Juan Santiago. John, do you know where Buffalo Creek Truck Club from 64S? That's the area I grew up. Not yet married. Not yet married, I yet. Thank you, Sir Damien Wagner. I haven't heard of it, Damien. From Zambia. Michael, hi Michael. Rafael, thank you, Rafael. Thank you sa nag-likes. Thank you sa pa-likes nyo. I'm dying. Why dying? Thank you, Rafael. Why are you dying? I grew up very isolated in the woods. So John, it's probably 12 to 15. Movies of Tyler on 64. Good evening, Sister. Hi, Tan Kong Zor. Zor. My Namaste, namaste. Michael. Michael. Me to John. How to learn to fish for Dynamite in Texas. I'm 45 years old. 45 years old? Sir Damien? I thought you are, 60 plus, 60 more. I thought you are, 60 more in age. I miss you, sister. Thank you, pa. Do you want to sleep? That's fine. Hi, Golden Blade. I'm more familiar with a Longview to Shreveport to Texarkana area. Hi, Eric Luber. Hi. Cheryl bikes the hubby right. Listen to be on his way there. Huh? Huh? Cheryl Mike's the hobby right. Listen to be on his way there. What do you mean? Where's the happy? He's still sleeping. Cheryl, me for 1980. Okay, me 1985. April 25, 1980. Me February to 1985. My goodness. Amen. Guillermo Santos. Beautiful sister. Thank you po. Okay. So, 45 turning 46. Advance happy birthday. 1984 here. 1984! Batang 90s. We're born in 1980s. My God. My same age. 80, 41, 42, 41, Sir John B. 41, 40, turning 42. 45, Sir Damian. My God. Made in 1980s, yes. Made in 1980s. My God. 1980s. Good morning, Jose. Nikon Agustin, hello. Made in 1980s now. 19, 1992. Okay. 1992. Wow. I'm ready to marry you, my own. Made in 1980s. My God. Sir John B, are you married? Do you have a kids? Kids, Sir Damian, do you have a kids? Married? Are you married? Ham, why did you sleep? I'm still single, 34. I'm from Philippines. The first time I really felt old was when a kid said, "Wow, you were born in the 1990s." The 90s. Yeah, 1992. New married, no kids yet. Ah, wow, congratulations, Sir John B. Still trying. Don't give up. You will make a baby. Try and try until you made it. You're a woman. Okay. DG Christmas. Hi. Thank you sa nagla-likes po, ha. Thank you for loving me. I win. Thank you so much. Bakit? Why are you crying? I would like... Huh? Why you like to marry same woman like you? Is it 34 is too late? Not too late. Not too late. 34. Me, 41. I think not too late for me. Sleep again. Hi, Chu Chong. Oh my god. Just kidding you. Okay. Hi, Edward. You born which year? 1985. Tio Chong, thank you. I never married, no kids, last girlfriend. And the last person I was with my with was with with was May 17th 2019. Oh my god, 2019. Oh my god, 2019. Oh my god. Where are you from, Sir Damien? Wake up. Yes, I wake up now. 7 years younger than me. Yes. You look amazing. Thank you, Jose. You're so beautiful. Thank you. Yanos. Sir Damien, really? My God. Since 2019, my God. Sir Damien. Cheryl, why don't you just sleep? You Claire when consent. Hi. My God. You stand up. Why? You. Okay, I will stand up. Just speak. Aray ko. Sakit. Ah. Mamay? Mami! Mamay! Hi, Mario. Pex. Pexy, Pexy. Jan. Hi. Thank you, Sir John B. Oh my God. Nice done. Thank you, Sir John B. I like it. Thank you, Gian. Thank you so likes, everyone. So very, very cute. Very cute. Adorable. Thank you sa nagano. Thank you for the likes. Don't wanna let her Thank you po. Mike is a lucky guy. Oh, really? Yes. Thank you, Sir John B. Jen, I definitely agree with that one. Thank you, pa. And I'm lucky too. And I'm lucky with him too because he loved me. He really loved me. Genuine love. And I love uh, him back. The same love that I received. So that's why. Genuine. That's like same feeling. Jose, nice shirt in short. Nice shirt in short. For short. Thank you so much. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Really appreciate it. Today is Monday. Tonight, when I can help but cry, and I'm wondering why you had to leave me. Why should you have to win this song? Love is in the air. Everyone loves. Be loyal to your partner. That's the best things that I think. Stay in love. No lies. Learn from the past relationship. No lies. Stay loyal to the partner. Respect and trust and respect. No cheating. No cheating. Even micro cheating not allowed. Cheating. It not helps for to grow relationship. Thank you for the likes. Aray ko. Aray me. Aray me, aray mo. Sa dami ng babae, bakit sa'yo ganito? You said Michael cheating, yeah. A lots of a couple nowadays, a lots of Michael cheating. Like Michael cheating, they are entertain someone, they take someone with a little flirting, something like that. Possible to having an. That's why I like the old fashion, like old the old relationship, like 90s, 80s, something like that. It's very real, genuine, true, in a new word to me. New word, new word. Yeah, Michael cheating. Like if I having in a relationship, but I'm talking to someone that possible more than friends, something like that. Having an affair, to do like they are friends, but with benefits. Raining, yes, raining again. It's raining again. Where are you from? From Philippines. I'm from Philippines. raining again. I'm from Spain. Okay. Nice to meet you, Jose Antonio Suarez from Spain. 27 million in the house. Jeans Gray. Jeans Gray. Jeans Gray. From Yemen. Nice to meet you po from Yemen. Simon Knight. Hi, Simon Knight. Sir Jambi. Hi, Rico Casoto. Thank you, Sir Jambi. Can you sing? I like singing, but I'm not a good singer. Do you wanna be better than the time? I can Thank you, 40 million in the house. Hi, Leon. I hear you singing, young lady. I'm not young. I'm 41 years old. See, yawning. Gagandang babae. Say, darling. Thank you. Cheryl is 28. 41. My God. How I wish I'm still 28 years old. My God. Baby. I'm ADHD multitask. That's a great compliment, John. What is ADHD? I think it's like ADHD. What it means? Sir Damien. ADHD. Baby, why you just been here in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Baby. Domingo Diaz Hypo. Maybe I need to ano. Sir John B and Sir Damian where we met it is I will never forget that. Oh my god. Mid in it is batang ano. Stay beautiful. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Okay. Now I know. I always just hear about the ADHD, but now I know now. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Okay. Stay beautiful and keep singing. Love you. Make my heart smile and dance. Where are you from, Sir Dion? My mind is constantly thinking of 30 different things at the same time. Oh my god, really? When you pass out, I got bored and look at the radar for the Philippines. Beautiful Pinay. Thank you, Paddy. Hachi. Where are you from, Paddy? There's only one area that got hit with two storm cells. No, I know. My God, no. Too much, Jose. I'm from the US and USA, and I'm from Philippines. I used to have a hat that said made in the 80s and had a logo of it, of Mario Jump. The Super Mario. I remember Sir John B. the Super Mario of Batang 90. Super Mario. Super Mario. Remember that? Oh my God. The Super Mario. My gulay. I remember the play, the Super Mario. My gulay. Hi, Paige. Paige. The land of the beautiful women. Mwah. The land of the beautiful. Really? Of course, I remember. Oh my God, I remember the Super Mario. It's a really, Then another stage, and stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Oh my God. Hi, thanks. Hello, thanks. Thank you so much for joining. I'm fine. How about you, thanks? Thank you, thanks. I just played Super Mario Brothers on my phone. How old are you, Sir Dion? Don't wanna let her go. The only bad part to have an ADHD is have really bad insomnia. You stay awake for weeks at a time. Oh my God, not healthy. Damien, that's not healthy. I remember when you joined the live before, I offended your comment about Mike and Sir Fred. So, who's this Damien? Oh my God. Then suddenly, Sir Fred explained about about you. It's you're joking. So that's why. Hey, are you all? I'm 41. Rizky. I'm 41 years old. How about you? How about you? I just turned 44, but I like classic games I came up on. Ah. Oh my God, another Sir John B, another batang 90s kid, ano, are you born 44? Wait. Uh, Sir John B, another born in 1980s. Zion. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Another it kids 80s mid and 80s. Beautiful. I'm from Philippines. 1982. Sir John B 1984. Sir Damien 1980. Me 1985. And you 1982. So we called it, wait, I need you to be a moderator because I want to know the beta, the made in 80s. Dion, the 80s tribe is a good one. Yes, 80s tribe. Oh wait, I need to list. I need to do list that the 80s tribe. No, the 80s tribe. The 80s tribe. I love that. Ano. I am from Argentina. Hi, from Argentina. Thank you po. I love that. Batang 90s is a very amazing kids. We are amazing kids. The Super Mario. Super Mario. Great. I'm chatting with a bunch of kids. Lol, just kidding. Like a year older than everybody. It's fine. No worries, Sir Damien. Thank you, Sir John B. We need to have a no. We need the tribe of now. What is called it? What you called it, sir? No. The Itis tribe and a good one. Kuya Dri is also 47. Kuya Dri, Batang 90s. She's also Batang 90s. You could do a short video tribute to 80s clan. Yes, that's why. The 80s clan. Yes po. Or 80s tribe. Yes. 80s tribe. The 80s. Yes, you made me you made me an idea. Thank you for giving me an idea, Sir John B. 80s clan, 80s tribe, the 80s tribe. It's a very unforgettable experience young when we're young. 80s tribe. I remember when I have any classmates before. Oh my god, the 80s was fun time to come up, and yeah, so fun, beautiful memories when 80s. Uh, so lots. Even in the no the when I'm kids, when I see and the teenager like my older sisters, they are beautiful also. Yeah, no. And the same here. Thank you, Sir John B. Next song, Augustine. The 80s tribe. The 80s tribe. Beautiful, experience. The 80s tribe. The 80s tribe, my God. Very respectful to the house. Thank you, Sir John B. Now when I can help but cry, and I wonder why you have to leave me. Why it had to sound. I think it's the other way around. Verse people, hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. Hi, Amma. Hi, Amna. Hi, Amna Charon. Amna Charon. B. But, hindi, naguluhan din ako dun eh. Question mark. Mm. Without the wind to sing, when you say that you master septic, show your muscles, roll up your sleeves way. If you have an iPhone, download in 64 emulator, then save a file, then you can download Super Mario Brothers and just watch ads to play. Oh my god, Sir Dion, we can't afford iPhone. My god. Maybe Sir John B have an iPhone. Sir John B. Hi, Sir Jamie. Maybe Mike can buy one. I don't know. Maybe I don't. I am not expecting about that, but I'm happy with that iPhone. If he buy me, I really appreciate. But you can you can get emulators on Android too. I want to know the Super Mario. Oh, I can, and I remember the Super Mario. My God, the Super Mario. Remember the kids when I'm kids. Read through N64 emulator. Okay. Hi, Sir Jamie. I never had an iPhone. Me too. Hey, Jamie from Sir John B. What is that? I don't like iPhone or Apple. Hey, really? Apple. Hey, John for Sir Jamie. Sir Jamie, hello. We're talking about Sir Jamie. Sir John and Sir John, Sir Damien, we are made in 1980s. The 80s tribe. 85, I'm 85, 1985, Sir John B 1982, and 1984, Sir John B. Sir Damien 1980. So that's why we made in the 80s tribe. And then the other one here, I have Sequoia Dre 19, that's right, 1975. 1975, Sir Jamie. Oh, still young. We are the 80s tribe. And the play games of the Super Mario. Yes. Oh, sorry. Where is my ano? O kasi waraan mo. Kuya ay. Balik mo na lang. Oh yeah. Hi, Neil. Hi, Sir Neil Hayden. Louise, hi po. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Mizel Torres. Hi. Hi, Louise. Fernando, Linda. Linda, Panda, Banana. Thank you po. Turn roll. Hi, Germano Ferrarini. Germano Ferrarini. Maybe my love will come back sometime. You all ladies from Philippines are very beautiful. Thank you for Neil Hidden. Raki. Hello, Raki. And Dion is also the It is Tribe. I find it and play Mario Brothers. Yes. I will find. Thank you, Dion. Well, let's see. Let's do the math. $1, 56 pesos. 2,000 dollar, 112 pesos. Kind of pricey. Wow, really? 2,112,000 pesos. Oh my god. Kind of pricey. Yeah. What is that song you're always humming? What a song? Morning. Yeah. $2,000. Lots of money. Convert in pesos. I never, I never get the, 100,000 pesos. Never. Never ever in my life. How I wish. No problem, Queen. Thank you, Dion. From now on, we have the 19, from now on, Sir Dion, John B, and Sir Damien, we are the 80s tribe. Maybe we can more 80s tribe. Yes. Janam, jan, jan, jan. Can dance, can dance. Good evening. Shall I watch you with your father? Hitting him in bed. You are a amazing child of God, Cheryl. I also took care of my father until his passing 10 years later. I took care of a 85. Wow. Yes. Taking care of the parents is very um, memorable. Like the memories of living together with them. So I'm hoping and I always pray that my father is live long, more years. But thank you, Sir Kevin McConnell. Standard price for an iPhone in the US right around 2,000. Oh my God. How can I afford? Too much money. No. Too much money. Rafi Polska. Many blessings. Thank you, JZ Mays. It's nice to meet you again. I see you. I already had subbed to you a minute ago. Thank you, Dion. Thank you so much, Dion. Pickle eating. Look beautiful, Brunei. Thank you, Louise. Henry Rojas. Hi. Pickle, hi. Smile. Smile. Thank you, but you can take a walk. Hey, Henry Rojas, you can take a walk. Year-old man, 14 years before his passing. It takes a very strong heart to do this. I wish you the best, beautiful Cheryl. God has this all the way. My friend, God bless you. Thank you, Sir Kevin McConnell. Thank you so much. God bless. I hope and I pray. Always stay. Thank you po, Sir Jambe. Thank you, Bicol. Hugs to you, my friend, and you are so welcome. Thank you, Sir Kevin McConnell. Hi, good morning. I'm fine. Daniel Domingo. I'm fine po. Like your accent. Like your accent. It got a country accent. Country accent. Hi, Russell. I'd like to see. Huh? Not me. You. Well, Cheryl, you have a good night. It's 7:28 a.m. here and my phone is about to die. And where I plug it and it is kind of hard to look at it. So you take care. Thank you. Okay, Sir Damian, take your time. Thank you so much for giving here a time. Thank you for your time here. Talk to me here and thank you so much. Need rest. Thank you po. Wait, I need to find my I hope. Take care. Thank you, Sir Damian. Magluway ka. Paluway agad. Paluway. Good to me. Thank you, Russell. I'm number two. You are number two? Cheryl. I hope that everything is okay with you. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. Everything okay po. Cheryl, you are so very welcome. How do you like my time here chatting with you? Yes, same here. I like talking to you here, Sir Damien. So thank you so much for joining. Hi, Sir Kevin. Thank you, Sir Kevin McConnell. I'd like to see you. Oh my God, no. Henry Rojas. Are you going to be on here later? I got some things to do. What? What do you mean? Oh my God. Dion? Hi, good morning. Good morning, Adriano Mariano. Adriano Mariano. Adriano Mariano. Clayton Duarte. Hi, Clayton. I like my time here talking to you. Sorry, my voice takes is kind of acting up. I'd like to talking to you, Sir Damien. Same here. Same here po. Take a bad look. Yum, 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 yum. Magkano ka na, Gab? Ha? I need to eat. Take a bad look. Sultan. Hi, Sultan. Good morning, Raul. Take a bad look. I have to go, and I was asking you what's going to be on here later today. Okay. Thank you, Leon. Thank you, Clayton. 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 Take a bad look.
Tadi bu. Mana tidak dia?
Skinless.
Tadi bukan tidak mau. Sampai suku mai terbau.
Aray. Aray ko. Like and subscribe. Thank you po, Sir Edgar Cross. The door honks. Come on, let's see. Eat. Sir Jamie. Good morning, Derek. Much love. Chat with you later. Thank you, Dion. Igor Cross, thank you po. Sultan, salamat. Sir Jamie, what happened? Yeah, I was looking for the car John. Free girl. It, fine po. Sab. Hello. What you eating? Fish, rice, rice, rice as always. Fish, rice, coffee. Always coffee. Have a coffee. I never forget the coffee. That dancing bug is coming out. Ah. Mm. Dancing bug. I love some longganisa with rice. Ah, okay. Annalyn. Annalyn. Thank you, Russell. Annalyn Azul. Sorry, I have to go to sleep as I don't have a very good day. Tomorrow I have a funeral for my friend. Okay, thank you Sir Edgar Cos for joining. God bless po. Repeats, hey. You're very beautiful, thank you. What is your rice and fish? What? She's going to work tomorrow. She hard works. I mean, she works hard. Russell. I'm single, I don't know. Thank you, Sir John B. Sis, step back a bit. You're too good. Amelia. Thank you, Sir John B. Thank you, Sir Jamie Moore. Thank you. Your legs are very, yeah. Russell. Why all be careful? She's only 19 years old. Yeah, I'm still a little girl of my father. I'm still a little girl of my father. Thank you, Sir Jambi. Hello. Johnny. John. Hi, Wesley Anderson. Miss you so much. I am Sir Lauren. Hi. Europeans. Scotron. Hi, Scotron. Ensiraga. Ensiraga. Good evening over there. Thank you po. Will you come to Turkey? No.
Parang nanampan nga tarot na. Parang tarot na ako.
Sige. Ah.
Ano lang ano bang ano torperato. Walang ano. Wala.
Wala na siya na ano. Sorry. Watch out for brother. He might gas again. Sir John. Hi, Sir John. Jose. You're welcome back, Sir John po. How's your day, Sir John? Euripides. He might guess again. Sir Jamie. A lot of things to do, but still nothing to do, my goodness. Tomorrow, tomorrow, Nazim do. Hmm? And you know that I don't know. It was okay. Had to go to hospital for tests, but all good. Oh, Sir John, stay healthy po. Praying for your good health always. Yes po, Sir John. Stay healthy. Yes. Europeans. Krasnell, Krasnell Zoran. Welcome, like, comment, subscribe, share YouTuber membership. 79 pesos. Sheryl Ohm. Thank you, Krasnelly. It's too late. It's too late? Sir John? I want to live my whole life. Late. What late? Late night there now, Sir John. Good morning. Good morning. Rick, go here, ring. Hi, Sir Rick. Go here, ring. Thank you for joining, Paul. Where are you from again? Sorry. I'm losing my mind. Euripides. Tugunov. Tugunov, child. I want to see you more. Hi, Idol. Good evening. Good evening, Benji. I am faithful to you. Where? Don't me. Don't me. Too late to stay healthy. Not too late, Sir John. Not too late. What happened, Sir John? Oh my God. I'm worried about you now. Oh my God. Good morning. Hi, Ray. And John Wick. Hi. Benji. Hello. Thank you, Benji. I'm worried about you, Sir John, now. Thank you sa nagla-likes po. Sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for hit the likes. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tarintong. Thank you. Sir John, I'm worried about you na. You ever been USA? No, never been there. John in the house. I mean, John B. It's not you. It's another John. It's a J user. The user is a J and the user. His name is John. John's in the house. Thank you, Sir John B. No, I don't. Huh? It's all good and controlled by the drugs they gave me, so I suppose I will be okay. You will be okay, Sir John. What is your, what is your health problem, Sir John? Yes, mini John's here, yeah. Mini John's here. And here have a John also. I have a classmate since grade school. Also, his also name is John. Lots of John. Show me more, coffee more. Sir John, John B. Sir John is one of amazing and kind friend here on YouTube. Yes po. I'm worried about si po, Sir John. Javad. Hi, Javad. Javad. And wondering why you have to leave. So many problems I take. 15 pills a day. Oh my god. Poppers. Sheryl, diagnosis is a good word to use when asking. Ah, okay. Okay. Yes po, Sir Jambi. Oh my god, 15 pills. Oh. That's why my father just I also have mini pills to take. My goodness. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Thank you, Sir John B. Oh my God, Antonio. My gulay. Ew. Almost 100. Oh my God, yes. Almost 100 likes. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for the likes. My God. Oh my God. Almost 100 likes. My gulay. 2 hours live for 100 likes. My God. Yes, 200 likes. Thank you po. It's alright. Thank you so much sa nagla-likes. Di maamin ang dami. Yo. dance you, dance me, dance to me. Aray ko. Thank you, Sir John B. Sir John, thank you so much. Enjoy po. I want to bed. Thank you, Sir John. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. You need to stay healthy po. My God. Oh, John. Thank you po, Sir John. Oh my God. Sir John, you need you need money for your medication, but you send me super chat. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. Oh my golay. Sleep well po. Stay healthy. God bless. I pray for your healthy, Sir John. 15 pills. Then I'm worried now. My friend John. Oh my God. You're welcome. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Welcome po. Thank you, Sir John B. Suddenly quiet. Oh my God. What's your job? We got crazy on here tonight. Sir Jamie Marr. Crazy tonight. My job. I want to see your little. It was really bad earlier, Jamie. We can take care of them. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Thank you, Sir John B. Sir Jamie, we have the the 80s tribe, Sir John B. Thank you po. The 80s tribe. Super Mario. You know, Sir Jamie, the Super Mario, like Jumping, jumping the Super Mario. Next to the next level. The jumping, jumping, the Super Mario jumping, jumping, my god. You have a great smile. Oh. Dance to me. Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. You know that, Sir Jamie? Donkey Kong. Oh my god. Donkey Kong. To go no. To go now? Yeah. Okay, I dance. Okay, I will dance with you. Okay, to go now. You can, if you can super chat, mm, $500 super chat, I will dance. Deal or no deal? Fly, hi fly. Thank you po, Sir John B. Naghihintay ko ay kailan, kahit pa umabot ng ako'y masaya. Let huh? El Mikhail Mabubi. What is that? Channel name. I don't understand your channel name. Go ahead, sing it, Sheryl. I like to sing, but the music, the song and the music can cooperate my my voice. My god. Oh my god. Why you love me? Hi, Golden Blade. Sweetie, have you eaten your dinner? Yes po. Done dinner. 10 evening here. 10 o'clock. What should I do? Dance to me. How are you, Manay? Are you sleeping? Not yet. Roberto Teran. To go now, Hill. Not yet married. Not yet married. Is that pencil you used to lock the door? Yes. I used the pencil. I used the pencil to lock the door. Congrats, 100 likes. Oh my god, 100 likes. Thank you pa. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Sir John B. My god, 100 likes. Sorry. Sorry. Here I am alone and the empty room, and let my mind just fly to the end. Thought of you to linger on my memory, wondering why my life is not that fair. Oh my god, 100 likes. Unbelievable. Pining na yan. Kung hindi isa, lumuluha ka na naman. Tumatakbo ang panahon na walang kasama. Di mo napapansin, ako'y nandito lang sa iyong tabi, laging nakatingin. Pagmamahal ang sakit at kaluluwa. Para sa'yo, inaalay ko sa'yo, hanggang nagunaw ang mundo. Pag-ibig ko, pagkat ikaw lamang sa buhay ko. Ikaw nag-iisa, luluhat ka na naman, tumatakbo ang... Thank you sa nanonood. Antonio Anderson. Sakto 100 Nagluluha ka na naman, tumatakbo ang panahon na walang kasama. Ano napapansin, kung hindi ko lang sa iyong pag-ibig ko tatingin. Buhay ko'y para sa'yo. I bet you knock on the door. She live from you. Oh. Hi, Clayton. Sir Jamie. Ricardo Gomez. Lumuluha ka na naman. Oh my god. Okay. Clayton. Clayton. Oh, 101 likes. My, thank you na. Oh my god. Luluhan ka na. Bedtime. Yes po. Thank you po. I need to sleep na. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Thank you, son. I need to sleep. Need to work tomorrow. Tomorrow again. Bye-bye. God bless. Thank you so much, son, for watching. Thank you, Sir Jamie. To John B. Thank you, Sir John. A lot of your golden blades. Thank you so much. God bless you po.